It is day 187. 187 and a... I'm not going to say that because it's not right. This time I think it'd be too inappropriate. So 187 and knee pads, because that's the kind of knee pads I got. How's my hair doing? Holy crap. Alright, so anyway, it is, like I said, day 187, the Chronicles. It is July 5th. Slept late today. Got up at 7, and I was like, can't do it. Can't do it. Can't be up at 7. So I just stayed in bed, and I think I woke up around 10 or so. So I got out of bed at like 11. What is going on with that? Oh, it's just, I guess it's just so free. It's like brown smoke. You can see it, but you can't touch it. So today I got laundry started, got coffee started. I guess I'm gonna go get a throttle spring for the duster, and then I'm gonna get gas in the van because, you know, that's what I do on Sundays. And then make sure my laundry gets finished, and I might continue cleaning up in there. I'm not real sure yet. I don't know. But we had lots of boomies all around us last night. Like people across the street, people like that way. So it was like 360 of not homemade fireworks, but store-bought fireworks, and we could hear the bathing lakes going off, and I think maybe Palestine, I'm not sure, but I mean, you could hear them, you just couldn't see them. So it was like, you know, typical. It's what happens on 4th of July. I think this is the first time Corinne's not been working, because I'm used to it. But she was kind of like, I'm like, it'll go on till like 2 in the morning, and then they shoot guns when they're out of fireworks. So anyway, so yeah, we'll do that today. We'll at least, and then I'm not sure what project we'll do today, if any. But yeah, so we'll see. Alright, so one load of laundry done. Got it in the dryer. Got the other load in the washer. And now I'm going to get a throttle spring, or return spring, whatever it's called, and get gas. And then I will probably eat. And not sure what I'll do after that. But anyway, that's what we're doing. You think that's 50% capacity? The whole parking lot is full. There's like maybe 4 spaces. It's not 50%. Alright, so apparently I caught them with their pants down, because like as soon as I walked in, it's like they put a mask on. The guy behind the counter didn't have a mask on at all. And again, I don't care. I mean, I'm not the mask police. I really don't care. I guess I could take mine off right now because I'm fixing to go to the gas station. But it's just, I don't know. It's dumb. But I was like, yeah, I need a throttle return spring. And the guy was like, okay, what year? And I was like, that Elderbrock right above it. That's the carburetor I got, so I need that. He's like, well, I need a year. I'm like, well, the spring's not connecting to anything that is that from that year, because I've got an aftermarket intake and an aftermarket carburetor. So just give me a throttle return spring. And of course, he had to call his manager, because even though it was literally hanging on the rack right below said carburetor, he didn't know what I was talking about. Everybody's got to work. Alright, so got gas. It was 206. Yeah, a lot of people out. I think it's just they're getting out of church. So I was going to go through a drive-through for lunch for me and her, but I don't know. We're just going to go home, try to make something at the house. Just 'cause I think it'd be easier, because there's like lines around the buildings and whatnot. So anyway, so yeah, so that's what's going on. All right, so got the laundry almost done. Got gas. Uh, got gas in the van. Got my throttle return spring eventually, finally. Haven't put it on yet. I'm gonna hinker-dinker around in the farmhouse just for a little bit, see if I can clean up some. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, so what I've been doing today. Well, I kind of reorganized this room a little bit. As you can see, it's a whole lot more room in here now. Moved all that stuff. Those windows are heavy. Moved some insulation there. And exposed all this so that I can get this wall taken down. So, not a today thing, kids, not a today thing. But now it's exposed, and get that wall fixed up real good, and then can put a window in there. Just need to figure out which window I want to put in there. So not a great day as far as production goes, but I don't know. I think it's like I said, if I can just do a little bit, maybe it'll help. I know next week I've probably got to go record, so I might get a day. At least I don't have to mow next week. So I don't know. Might get on. Maybe next week I can get this wall down. Not real sure. Hot, you can tell by my sweat. It's gross. So I get to shower again tonight. But yeah, not super exciting, but it's not driving and it's not complaining about work. So I guess that's good. So with that being said, I guess I will sign off here, because I need to go walk the dog. I need to fold my laundry, my last load that's in the dryer now, or finished up in the dryer now, and then probably need to think about food and winding down for tomorrow. So yeah, this is how we do it on day 187. So getting through it, kids, getting through it.